Is that Piper? No, rainbow. Oh, the fall starts in September. Leaves falling. Halloween. Nice, Jen. You wrote all these numbers?
Yeah.
Wow.
Good
and
job,
you know
Mitch.
that October 1st is going to be a Wednesday? They told you to do that? Well, you have to be really careful. Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for food, mom, drinks, family, sisters, and dad. That's sweet. And December. Oh, look at the trees.
It's 3D.
It's 3D. It's a
Cool,
pop-up
Mitch.
tree.
Really nice.
Nice job, Mitch.
We love it.
Love it. Oh, that's a keeper.